Hello everyone, AE Outdoors here. Hope you guys are having an awesome day so far. Over the last week or so, we had some rain in the area. Thought it'd be fun to come look for some fungi. So I'm going to take you guys on a little bit of a scavenger hunt and see what we can find. Let's rock and roll. This is called a pheasant back. They are a type of edible fungus, have a cucumber, melon, or acidic taste. Best eaten when they're younger as well, because they can get more of a woody taste as they mature. These mushrooms are known as inky caps. They undergo a unique process called autodigestion, where enzymes within the own mushroom break down its cap and turn it into a sort of black sludge. This transports the spores downward onto the substrate below and aids in its reproduction. These are yellow oyster mushrooms, a very popular edible mushroom. They have a sort of a nutty, citrusy taste. They can also be a little bit bitter, a little bit spicy tasting. Very popular among people who enjoy foraging for mushrooms, and a very popular food choice. Hope you guys enjoyed that little mushroom foray. Fungi are pretty amazing creatures. On that note, stay curious, and I'll see you next time.